We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure, pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up GBP, JPY. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So let's head down to a time frame. Today's let's play with the 15-minute. Let's look for structure in the market. See what's going on. We're gonna find a nice area to work out. Area right here. All right, so let's identify what's going on. So we can clearly see we have areas of highs here. Have a low here, and we have a midpoint right through the middle. And I think this overall structure, if we pull right back out, that's like a huge area of consolidation where that market is bouncing up and down before it broke through new levels at low towards the front. Head over to this high and let's see what's going on. This area here, we got a few push-ups to the top. Let's see what structure this is. Let's draw it out. We received that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market push down once, retest. Altogether, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a quadruple top, 4 pushes to the top in this area here. Once we see that, we know that market dropping down. We have a retest as well, multiple retests. Market push down once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So that's already exhaustion. Once you start passing 4 times for that direction of double for the top of the bottom that is coming from, you get over 4. That means that's a huge area of consolidation. So you could just put in that range, consolidation, market sideways. So then once you stay in that area, you'll be able to see some type of structure, the pattern that's going to push that market down or up. So even in this area here, that market broke, came back to retest once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. That's 4 pushes to the top order so far. We got 5 pushes to the top right here. Fully exhausted itself at this midpoint. 5 pushes to the top. We know that market's coming down, retesting in this lower time frame, and then market push down once, market push down twice, market push down 3 times, market push down 4. Overall cap, 4 pushes down to the bottom. That market exhausts itself. We know that market's going up, and we can clearly see that. Also, there's a pattern in this area here. Let's see if we can draw it out. You receive red coming down, first leg, white coming up, second leg, red, third, pushed up for that fourth. Double bottom right here to the left-hand side. Market came back for a retest. Market pushed up. Market pushed. So we see a double bottom and it's in a retest. So altogether, that's a triple bottom in this area. And let's see how many times that market pushed up. Pushed up once, retest, pushed up twice, retest, pushed up 3 times, retest, pushed up 4, retest. And that's exhaustion. So that means we put this area in a range, we'll be able to see some type of pattern. And what do we see? It's like an incline W. So we got that first leg. So let's start off with the, so our market broke, came back to retest. Start off with the red candle right here. So that's the first leg coming down. Market coming up for that second. Market coming back down that third for that red. Market push up that fourth in white. All together, we can see that incline W. Okay, we said incline W bottom, double bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, came back to retest that breaking midpoint. Market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4. Market exhausts itself again, 4 pushes to the top. So that means we know that it's an area, some type of pattern forming itself, which you can see is being respected for that incline. Once that market broke this midpoint, came back to retest, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest, market pushed up 4. Overall cap went right back to highest highs with another 4 pushes to the top, exhaustion. So we know that market is doing what? Coming right back down. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet for market patterns. So when you see patterns in the market, for example, what we have here, we have a head and shoulders pattern, inverted, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Once we see that, we know that market has pushed down 3 times, wasn't able to break. That market's doing what? Reverts to go right back up. Very important information, guys. Please study the breakout retest strategy. Okay, when the market is at a area of working his way up to that uptrend, once it head to that resistance line, We want the market to break as we currently see here. Market broke the resistance line, and then the market comes back to return. This time it returned once, returned twice, got the incline, so that's a W here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and the market pushed up, gone all the way for that uptrend. So the breakout retest, market broke the resistance, came back down for a double tap of that support that was resistance, retest, and the market was gone. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, owning the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. GBP, JPY.